Hey everybody, welcome to my another Harryviral tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how can you change your dark theme mode in WhatsApp, and it is very nice features which is updated now. So before that, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and please subscribe if you are new in my channel today. So let's get started. So I am here in my WhatsApp. So I'll go in my WhatsApp channel and then you can see the messages. After that we will go on this three dot, and then you can see your settings. Go on settings and then you can see your chats. After clicking on that, you can see your theme. Just click on that and click on dark and just click OK. Now you can see the changes here. It's dark mode and quite nice to get access, and you can do like this way. So I hope you like this video. So before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much.
The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing.